How's it going, everybody? This is Fastlane Fixer, and today I'm going to be working on the 18 horsepower go-kart. So these tires don't hold air as I expected because it's kind of dry rotted along the edges. So I got 2 inner tubes, one for each. I'm going to be putting those in. So first off, I need to get this valve stem out. So pretty much when you're getting the valve stem off, I mean, it's gonna get destroyed no matter what, so I'm just gonna cut it off. Got that off. Now I'm gonna save that end part right there. It's called the valve core, just in case I need one later. There we go. Got it off the bead.
I'm putting it inside the tire. You gotta put it inside the tire first.
Okay.
And then you work it right on the rim. And you want to try to have this valve stem showing up pretty close to the area of the hole so that you don't have to turn it very much. Because if it's way over, if the hole would be here and I put the valve stem over there, then you got so much work to get it right.
Right. Okay, got that tire done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one exactly the same. There we go. Got that tire done too. Nice and full of air. So I got both of those done. Now I want to make a header for this. So I guess let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, got the old exhaust off. Now I'm gonna try to save that part so I can use that for my header. So I'm going to go ahead and take these 3 nuts off so that I can cut this off better. There we go. Got them all off. Now this should kind of come off. There we go. Don't need this anymore. Okay, so I got this cut off, right? Nice and flat. Now it's gonna go on like that, and I think I just want to have it come up and then kind of come down like that. I think that'll be fine. I think I'm gonna go ahead and find some pipe and cut it to the right length. I'm gonna try to have it come, I don't know if I'll have it come under here or go ahead and come above. We'll see. I'm gonna go see if I can get some pipe, and then I'll see if I can bend it.
Alright folks, today we're going to cut this on that there mark. Then we'll have that there much, that there pipe by Dr. Fastlane Fix It.
Okay, so this is 15 inches long. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'll bend it and weld it on. There we go. Okay, here it is. I'm going to try to get that a little more round so I can weld better. But I think it turned out fine. It's going to be about like that. So let's go see if we can get that a little more round. Okay, so there's a little burr right there on both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out with this die grinder. There we go. Now let's see if we can get that a little more round. There we go. I think that's gonna have to be good enough. Let's go see how it looks. I think that looks pretty good. Have it welded just like that. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I'm just gonna weld these two together. Oh yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, Now I'm gonna go ahead and weld all the way around. Okay, there we go. Not the prettiest welding, but I am welding to cast, so it's not that terribly bad. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. That's officially done. It's on there sturdy. That's how you make a header. I think it looks pretty nice. So, once I get the gas tank, we'll be ready to ride this thing. Can't wait to see how it sounds. Okay guys, so just got this tank in the mail. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, get the gas hooked up, then it should be ready to go. Okay, let's do this. Okay. It's idled up too high. I'm gonna push back into the shop, get up on stands, and then see if I can tune that down. Okay, as you can see, right there, there's a little gap in there. And it's not staying at idle. Not quite sure why, but I'm gonna try a few things and see if I can get it figured out. Okay, I think I got it fixed. I just need to straighten something out because I had it bent like that because of how I had it before, and I changed that. So now it should work if I start it up. Wow, that is very loud. Oh, there's steam coming off of it. Nice. Okay, now I guess I'm gonna take it down and take it for a test ride. Yeah. This thing rips.
Let me try it.
Okay.
the other tires or whatever it was before.
Yeah, they were just way too big. Okay, so I'm gonna go for another top speed run because it feels like a lot faster. So I'm just going to be using this speedometer app, reset it, put it in my pocket, and let's see how fast this thing goes. Okay, my speedometer thing wasn't working right. I think I accidentally turned it off. I'm not supposed to do that. So I'm gonna have to do that again. Reset it. Okay. Okay, my brother's gonna go ahead and give it a try. Nice. Okay, now just floor. I want to see it spin. Nice. Oh, this thing is sick. That thing is amazing. Oh, look at all that dust. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it says 32.9. So that's pretty fast. Not quite as fast as I thought, but it's got really good acceleration. Okay, I'm gonna set my tripod down here, just kind of in the middle of the parking lot, and then see if I can drift around it. unfortunately, guys, I think that's gonna have to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Greatly appreciate it. I'll see you next time.